The next big Bitcoin move is extremely obvious, and in this video, yes ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you guys exactly where Bitcoin is heading in the next couple of days and weeks, because it is going to be extremely obvious. And if we look at this chart right here, then can we see right now that we are making an extremely big consolidation phase right here with a potential bullish pennant with a target all the way at $36,000, which is about $2,000 from this level, and it's also more than a 5% move, which is quite significant. And yes guys, I am expecting Bitcoin to move up one last time extremely big. I'm going to show you guys exactly why this is going to happen in this video, so make sure to watch from the beginning all the way until the end, because Bitcoin is right now going for a massive move to the upside. However, it will not be the same as the last move we saw right here. So make sure to stick till the end, guys. Before I do so, if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you want to trade this massive breakout that is potentially going to break out, then what you right now can do is you can literally right here go to the first link in the description and you can literally claim some free money. Because if you right now sign up for a Bybit account using my link, and if you don't know, Bybit is the biggest crypto exchange out there. It's the best crypto exchange out there. It's the highest liquidity Bitcoin and crypto exchange out there. You can trade more than 800 assets on there, including a lot of altcoins. You have a lot of insane and amazing futures and features. You can even trade futures on it with up to 100x leverage. And it's the exchange I use every single day. So if you're looking for a new crypto exchange because maybe Binance is banned in your country, then you can right now go to the first link in the description and you can literally right now enter into a free 1000 USDT airdrop giveaway hosted by Bybit for my community. All you need to do is literally click on join now right here once you clicked on the link, and you will literally all you need to do is sign up for an account using my link and only deposit $100 and trade $1,500 with 100x leverage. That's only $15, and then you're literally capable of winning $200 completely for free. It's going to be the easiest $200 you are going to ever make in your life, so go check it out right now. That being said, if we look at this chart right now, I'm going to show you guys exactly why the Bitcoin price is right now extremely bullish and why I am still bullish even after such an amazing pump to the upside. And there are a few reasons for that. The first one is that we have not seen a significant dump to the downside after we saw this massive move to the upside. We have literally only been trying to go up higher, and we have been a little bit consolidating right now. And the last time we saw this was right here, and yeah, that's basically it. So we saw this 2 times before in this massive rally to the upside. We can see we saw a massive move, which we have right here, a massive move. And then we saw consolidation, and that's exactly what right now what's happening. And then we saw a small wick to the upside, and after that we saw a small pump to the upside like we're seeing right now. And then we saw a massive move to the upside. So yes guys, I am right now predicting that next week Bitcoin is potentially going to go for another leg to the upside, and I'm going to show you guys my exact price targets in just a second. But it's just so amazing how all these Bitcoin charts are looking exactly the same. All these Bitcoin price actions are looking exactly the same, because if you look right here, like I said, it's the same. And even if this consolidation phase is not going to happen, for example right here, we also saw a lot of consolidation after a big move to the upside. We always tend to go a little bit higher after we see such a massive move. Even right here, we went about $2,000 higher from where it was consolidating. So yes guys, it's really obvious right now that we are going to see at least a small pump to the upside. The size of this pump still needs to be decided, but I am expecting at least a $1,000 to $2,000 move to at least $36,000, because that is also right now where we have our next big area of support and resistance, of course, and in this case resistance. It's actually at 37k, so sorry about that. I am expecting a pump towards 36 to 37 to 38k. We have this massive box right here, which is just acting right now, probably going to act as a lot of resistance. But right now, where we are trading right now, we are trading right now for 34k. There is literally no resistance, no big resistance at 34k, only a small handful of wicks that we're supporting right there. However, no actual full body candles. And if we look at 37k, then we can see we have a shitload of resistance right there. So it will just make a lot of sense that we continue the pump, because there's just no resistance at this level right now. And yes guys, Bitcoin is also just looking extremely bullish. We can see right now that the Bitcoin supply on exchanges just keeps on dropping, and this could potentially trigger a massive supply shock for Bitcoin. We can see right now that since this massive rally started to the upside, the supply on exchanges has just been keeping on dropping, and this means that more and more people are buying Bitcoin and sending it to their cold storages in order to just hold off for a long time as a store of value. And this is extremely bullish for Bitcoin, because those people are not likely to sell anytime soon, which is just extremely freaking bullish. Also, if we look at this tweet right here from Crypto Rover, then we can see right now that he is predicting, and also I am predicting, that within the next 75 days we are basically going to get a guaranteed spot Bitcoin ETF. And we all know that if that's happened, that will immediately send Bitcoin up 10%. It's going to be the craziest candle you have ever seen. So yes guys, in the next 75 days, the final deadline of the ARK Invest Bitcoin Spot ETF will arrive. And this means that if the SEC is going to reject this spot Bitcoin ETF in the next 75 days at the 10th of January, that means that no spot ETF ever will and can be allowed. Because then there needs to be an extremely good reason why that's happening, and no other ETFs will also be approved. And of course that will be really bad for Bitcoin, but right now there is literally a 90% chance that the SEC is just casually going to approve all of them at once at some point in time within the next 75 days. And like I said, that will immediately cause a 10% move to the upside. And that's also why it's just simply not smart to short right now. Why would you short Bitcoin right now when literally there is a chance that when you wake up Sunday on a random freaking day, the SEC just has approved the Bitcoin spot ETFs, and you will immediately be liquidated because it will cause the biggest freaking gold candle in your entire life. That's why I'm especially not shorting right now, and I'm actually looking at longing right now because Bitcoin is just looking too freaking bullish in my opinion. So yes guys, that is currently all I have for you guys right now. The next big Bitcoin move is just so freaking obvious, and there is a 99% chance that it is going to be to the upside. And even if it's not to the upside, even if we get some massive bearish news in the next couple of days, then we're still having massive support at $31,000. We have such massive support at 31k that we are likely going to see a massive bounce to the upside, creating a simple higher high, and that will still be extremely bullish. But in my opinion, we're just straight up going to wick to 37 to 38k. So yes guys, that's all I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Right now we are growing like crazy with 461 subscribers. Maybe we can reach 500 subscribers in the next couple of days or weeks. That will be absolutely amazing. So that being said guys, I hope I will see you in the next YouTube crypto video.